What if I told you I have a special link that takes you straight to Surfshark's biggest sale, no matter when you click it? Whenever you use this link, you'll be instantly redirected to the highest discount available at that moment. And guess what? You won't even need to enter a coupon code. It's already included. But that's not all. I'll also share some secret tricks to help you save even more money on your purchase. I'm Mr. Coupon, and right now, I'm on the exact sale page I was talking about. At this moment, this is the biggest discount available. But here's the best part. If an even bigger sale happens later, you'll see that instead. So no matter when you click my link, you're guaranteed to get the best possible deal. Now let's get you that deal. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, and you'll be redirected to Surfshark's sale page. Once you're there, hit the Get Surfshark button. You'll see 3 different plans, but here's a trick. The 12-month plan gives you a discount, but the 24-month plan drops the price even lower. Never choose the 1-month plan. It's way too expensive and has 0 discounts. And it gets even better. When you buy Surfshark, you're not just getting a VPN, you also get an ad blocker, bypasser, and many extra security tools for free. Plus, Surfshark lets you share your account with unlimited friends and family members. That means if you want, you can split the cost and cover your entire payment easily. But listen carefully. This is a one-time deal. If you buy the 24-month plan today, you lock in the lowest price ever. But if you choose a shorter plan, when it's time to renew, you'll have to pay almost double. So if you want the biggest savings, go for the 24-month deal now. So what are you waiting for? Click the description link now and grab the biggest Surfshark discount ever. That's it for today's video. I've pinned the exclusive sale link in the description and comments. Enjoy your savings, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.